Back in the early days of Android, all sorts of crazy ideas were implemented on phones. From built-in projectors on the back of the phone to sliding game controllers that supported PlayStation games, Android was the Wild West of smartphone ideas for years. Though the platform has since matured, there's still plenty of options available on Android that you can't get anywhere else. Let's take a look at how to use a video as your ringtone on Android. Unfortunately, thanks to security changes in how Android handles both your dialer and your incoming calls, setting a full video as your ringtone is difficult to do in 2019. However, it's easy to extract the audio from your video in order to turn it into a new ringtone for when your friends or family call you. Here's how to do just that. The easiest way to do this is to use an online tool like Online Video Converter to convert your video from an online piece of media to an MP3 available to be downloaded to your device. Just use the share button within YouTube to copy the link to the video, then paste it into Online Video Converter's URL box and select MP3 from the list of options. Once the video is downloaded, you have two choices on what to do with the audio file. If you just want the video to be used as a ringtone without edits, you can use the file browser on your device to move the content from your download folder to your ringtone folder. Head into your settings menu, select sound, then select your phone ringtone. With your MP3 file now hosted in the ringtone folder, you'll be able to select the sound for your incoming calls or notification sounds. If you want to edit the audio file, you can use a tool like Zedge to upload your ringtone to the cloud while also using Zedge's editing tool to trim the parts of the video you don't want included in your ringtone. If you don't want to upload your file to the cloud, you can also use a free audio editor on your phone, like Alphonic Edit, to trim pieces of your ringtone. For the best results, try to limit your ringtone length to about 30 seconds or less. Remember, ringtones can be set for both phone calls and notification sounds, and in the default clock app from Google on Android, you can also add custom alarms within the settings menu from your file browser. If you like this guide, make sure to check out these other videos you might like and subscribe to Tech Junkie for brand new videos every day.